Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best deals that I grabbed over at Walgreens for the week. I have so many things to tell you today. I have a number of different scenarios. I have one scenario on my card with the spend $25, get $4 in Walgreens Cash booster. So I'm going to tell you about that. I also have two different transactions that I've worked up for the spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens Cash booster. Obviously, that is a much better deal. I didn't have that on my card, so I did do another transaction this week on my mom's card, so I'll tell you about that as well. The last thing that I wanted to talk to you about is how I use my Walgreens Cash. I know we all go about this a little bit differently, and that's totally fine, but I thought you might be interested to see how I use my Walgreens Cash, so I'll talk with you about that as well. Now, before we get into that, I do want to let you know about one super fun thing that I'm doing this week, and it's with the sweetest girl, Coupon Wins with Linz. She sent me a message and asked if I would be interested in collaborating with her. So we are doing a friendly competition on our Walmart hauls this week. We both do Walmart Wednesdays, so we are going to see who can get the better deals. So if you're interested in seeing me win, watch my YouTube video this Wednesday. All right, if you enjoy my videos, please give them a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You guys, I am so close to 3,000 subscribers. When I get there, I will be doing a $20 gift card giveaway. So you help me get there, I will give back to you. All right, let's get into this. First scenario, I'm going to talk to you about the spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens Cash. Check your digital coupons, okay? And I posted about this over on Instagram last week. Check your digital coupons, see what boosters you have for the week, and go ahead and clip them as soon as you see them. So this is for the spend $20, get $5. Now, the first deal that I grabbed as part of that are these Colgate Total toothpaste. There's different ones that you can choose from. They are priced at $3.99. Now, I had a $3 off 2 digital coupon. So I bought 2 at $3.99. I had the $3 off 2 coupon. So I paid $4.98 out of pocket, but I got $4 in Walgreens cash back for buying 2. Making them 98 cents for both of them. I know other people got $4 off 2 Colgate coupons, which would make them completely free. We did not have that. My mom nor I had that $4 off 2. So $7.98 for both of them. When you buy 2, you get $4 in Walgreens Cash. Check to see what digital coupons you have. If you have the $3 off 2 like I did, it would come out to be 98 cents for both of them. But again, that's tracking towards this spend 20, get 5. So this ends up being a completely free haul and a moneymaker. But I'm going to get to that in just a second. All right, next thing I grabbed was this Pantene hairspray. There are a few different products that are priced at $4.99. I had a $4 off digital, making this product just 99 cents. So check and see if you have that coupon as well. The last deal that I did in this spend 20, get 5 transaction was on the Old Spice dry spray. I grabbed these because there is an Ibotta offer as well as a sale and a coupon at Walgreens. So these are the Sweat Defense. I grabbed Pure Sport Plus and Stronger Swagger. There was no rhyme or reason for why I grabbed those 2 other than when I'm looking at inventory for online, I try not to grab 2 of the same thing because I'm afraid it will be out of stock. So I grabbed one of 2 different scents. Okay, so one rang up $7.99, the other rang up half price at $3.99. I had a digital coupon for $5.99 off 2, so I paid $5.99. But on Ibotta, you get $2 back for each of these. So I was expecting to get $4 back. For some reason, when I scanned my receipt to Ibotta, not only did it pop up for $2 back on each of them, It grabbed another one, and I'm assuming it grabbed it based on the coupon. I don't know. And it gave me an additional $2 back. So I actually got $6 back on Ibotta, which made these completely free. Now, of course, because it is a curbside deal, I went through Rakuten because Rakuten always gives me cash back. Right now, it is 4% cash back. So altogether, I paid $11.96 for these items. I got back $5 in Walgreens Cash for spending $20. I got back $4 in Walgreens Cash for the Colgate. I got back $6 on Ibotta for the Old Spice. And I got back 50 cents on Rakuten for doing an online purchase through them. That made this all free and a $3.54 moneymaker, which was awesome. Now, a couple of things I want to tell you. Always go through Rakuten and get your cash back. If you are new to Rakuten, use my referral link down in the video description box below, because when you spend $20 on your first purchase, you get $20 back, which is huge. And honestly, sometimes they'll go $30 and $30 back, and that's been kind of going back and forth lately. So check and see. You might be able to do a $30 purchase and get $30 in cash back, which would be super awesome. If you have questions about that, let me know, but I do have a full tutorial on how to use Rakuten on my YouTube page. The other thing I wanted to tell you is I used points on a spend deal. Now, I've been contemplating doing a Walgreens video where I tell you more of the ins and outs of the Walgreens system. People have said they are interested in that, but I did want to let you know I did use $2 in points. So with the spend 20, I had to spend at least $20 in a combination of cash and manufacturer's coupons in order to get the $5 back, okay? But I did use $2 in points when I did this transaction, and I still got my $5 in Walgreens cash back for spending $20. Okay, so that was something that I have been wanting to play with a little bit. I think I could have actually used up to $4 in points if I'm remembering my math correctly, but I was afraid that something would be out of stock and it would screw it all up, so I just did $2, but it did work perfectly. Questions on that, let me know in the comments down below. Next transaction I want to tell you about didn't go as smoothly, of course, because it's on my card, not my mom's, but that was with a booster that was spend $25, get $4 in Walgreens Cash. Now, I don't know which booster coupons you have. You may not have booster coupons at all, but I at least wanted to show you different ways to make these numbers work. So mine was spend $25, get $4 in Walgreens Cash. So let me show you the deals that I did. First off, I'll just start with the one that didn't work right. The Aussie shampoo and conditioner. They are priced at $2.99, but they are buy one, get one 40% off. And online it said buy two, get $3 in Walgreens Cash. When I stuck them in my cart, $3 in Walgreens Cash showed up as my estimated points back. But I know you see where I'm going with this. I did not get the $3 in Walgreens Cash back. So now my only option is to call customer service, which I have not done yet. But they should be able to see that it's buy two, get $3 in Walgreens Cash. They should give me the $3 back if and when I call. All right, one at $2.99. The other rings at 40% off, so that's $1.79. I had a $2 off digital coupon for this, so I paid $2.78. I should have gotten $3 in Walgreens Cash back, making it completely free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Now, if I don't get the $3 back, then I would have just paid $2.78 for it. So that is something to think about. It didn't work correctly. If you did this and it did work for you, please let me know. I don't know why it didn't work. It showed up in the estimated points. It clearly shows online, but you know, it's Walgreens, so it did not show up on my receipt or in my account when I checked. All right, the next deal that I did, there are a few products this week that are buy three, get $5 in Walgreens Cash. So of course I wanted to combine that with my booster coupon to get the most bang for my buck. One of those items is Tresemme. So I do not need shampoo and conditioner, so I grabbed hairspray. These are $4.99 each, but I had a coupon for $5 off too, okay? So $4.99 each minus the $5 off too. I then grabbed the Schick razors, which are also part of the buy three, get $5 in Walgreens Cash. This is priced at $7.99, but I had a $4 off coupon, which made it just $3.99. So my total for all of that was $8.97, but I got $5 in Walgreens Cash back for buying those 3 items. The last thing I grabbed as part of my deal, same concept over here with my mom. She got this hairspray, I grabbed this hairspray, also $4.99. I also had the $4 digital in my account, so this was just 99 cents. All right, so total altogether for my spend 25, get 4, I paid $12.74 for all of it, okay? I did not use any points on this, so I paid $12.74. I got back $4 in Walgreens Cash for spending 25. I got back $5 in Walgreens Cash for buying these 3 items here. I should have gotten $3 in Walgreens Cash back for the Aussie. I forgot to write down how much I got back from Rakuten. It's probably right around 30 or 40 cents, but that's not included here. So even without Rakuten, I paid 74 cents for all of this, which I thought was an amazing deal. So after Rakuten, it's probably more like 40, 30 some cents. Still an awesome deal as long as I get that $3 back from Walgreens, which I don't foresee an issue. I just haven't made the time to call or chat with them. Last scenario I came up with, okay, some of the same items, but it is another way to do the spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens Cash deal. Again, I did the same thing over here with the Tresemme. Buy 2, they are $4.99 each. I also had a $4 off 2 digital coupon, okay? So I had a $5 off 2 and a $4 off 2. I grabbed this Schick razor, again it's $7.99. If you want to do it this way and you have that $4 coupon, that would make it $3.99. That would make my total for all 3 of these products $9.97 and getting $5 in Walgreens Cash back, making it $4.97 for all of this. Okay, but our $5 off or $5 back when we spend 20 is going to cover the rest of that. Okay. The only other items I grabbed in that were these little Pantene nutrient blends. The shampoo is priced at $2.79, I believe. The conditioner is at $2.89. One is just 10 cents more, but I grabbed one of each. I had a $5 off digital coupon, making it just 68 cents for 2 of these. So if you want to do your spend 20, get 5 this way, these would come out to be $10.65 out of pocket. You would get back the $5 for spending 20. You would get back the $5 for buying these 3 products here, and approximately 50 cents on Rakuten, making it all just 18 cents. So that would be an amazing scenario if you wanted to work your spend 20, get 5 that way. Couple of things. I scanned my receipts to the Fetch Rewards app. Now, I got quite a few points back because apparently there's something going on at Walgreens right now with Fetch Rewards. When you spend $30, you'll get $10 back in Fetch Rewards. So when I scanned my receipts, it actually got me halfway there. It says I only have $15 left to spend to get $10 back in Fetch Rewards. So that's pretty amazing. Also, scan your receipts to pggoodeveryday.com. That is the app where you can earn points for every P&G product that you purchase, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. So the Pantene product, the Old Spice, all of those are products that would qualify for the P&G Good Everyday rewards. Super simple to sign up for that. It's completely free. I'll include a link for you as well that will take you directly to that website. But I have been able to cash out. Actually, this weekend, we ended up getting a pizza from Domino's for like $1 because I had gift cards from PG Good Every Day. I think that was it that I wanted to talk with you about on these deals. But I do want to tell you how I chose to use my Walgreens Cash. So overall, my goal is to save my family money. And when I'm shopping at Walgreens, a lot of times I am making money on a deal. So I'll spend $20, but I end up with $5 additional back in Walgreens Cash. Me personally, I'm not comfortable having a lot of money in my Walgreens account. I don't see it as a bank account. I don't want to be storing $100, $200 in there. So really, I try to keep it under $50 or as low as possible. And so when I get the ad each week, I'm looking for things that are similar price point to what I would pay at the grocery store, that are things that we use anyway. And I try to use my Walgreens Cash for those items. Again, I've been placing them as curbside orders. I go through Rakuten. That way I get some cash back as well. But this week, this is what I grabbed. The nice cheese is 2 for $4, which is very similar to what I would pay for shredded cheese at the grocery store. So I got 2 of these. I grabbed the Oscar Mayer meat. Okay, that was $3.79. Again, similar to what I would pay at the grocery store. And then a loaf of bread, that one was $2.99. This is a little bit more expensive than what I would normally pay for bread at the grocery store because I think it's smaller and just a little bit more expensive. However, because I'm making money on these Walgreens deals, the cash is there. It's saving me the money from having to spend it at the grocery store. So I ended up for all 3 of those, it came out to $10.78. And if you know Walgreens, I can use $10 in points. So I was trying to get right to that $10 mark. That way I could do $10 in points. I paid 78 cents out of pocket, and now I don't need cheese, bread, or meat for the week from the grocery store. So hopefully that makes sense. That's how I'm kind of using points right now, is to save me money overall. Now I don't have to buy these things anywhere else this week, which means no money is coming out of my bank account. Any questions on this, please let me know down in the comments below. I hope you all are having a fabulous start to the week. Definitely tune in on Wednesday to see me and Coupon Wins with Linz compete to see who can be the better Walmart shopper this week. Thanks, guys.